Come here.
Come here. Mama got you something.
I got it.
I got it on Mommy's lap.
Stand right here. Close your eyes. Open your hands.
Close your
Keep
eyes.
your eyes closed.
Oh, look, it's a big
Don't
surprise.
look.
Okay, open your eyes. Ew!
Hey.
Got it all. Let me get it. Where's it at?
Let me see.
Here's Denisha's present.
You better go get her because Alex went up to compliment. She looks magic like you and Davey. First ride the baby her. Lyric, when you get stomach up, put it back up.
Did you get her face expression?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mommy, I'm about to get
Come here, Alex. Say hi to the camera.
Oh, Davey, it went and hid behind the house.
Mm.
Oh.
Mom, do that to me.
Come say hi to the camera, Alex.
Say hi.
Include Trey, Daddy.
Say hi.
Trey feels left out.
Say hi.
Hi.
She'll
What's your
have to
name?
you, Mommy, she'll be mad at you.
Ashley.
Why'd you leave your poop over here?
That ain't real, Mommy.
Here.
No, it's not real.
Denisha, let's show the people we was just playing. I'm sorry, okay?
No, tell no. So it ain't real.
I'm sorry, Denisha. I'm sorry.
She loves pressure. So y'all may be mad.
Beep, 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 beep,
Get
beep.
down, put it back up.
What y'all doing?
Look at Trey. Hey, you got tucky feet.
You got turkey feet. Don't push it too high.
I'm gonna wrap it up for you, okay?
Don't. All right. Don't push it too high.
Christmas, okay?
Say bye bye.
Mommy.
Say bye bye.
Come on, Poopy.
Say bye bye.